Tapos, ano yan?
Double cheese and ham.
Ano ito? Grilled beef. Masarap.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like
Saging. Aba ng saging.
Masarap na po yung banana, sobrang laki lang.
Ayun eh, pag may pangit ano sir ah.
1, 2, 3, rolling.
Taste test mo banana, yung Chankay Shake.
Semi-use.
Second.
Free love.
Free love. Tingnan natin.
Free love banana. Rating out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Yes.
Pinakamasarap na saging sa buong Taiwan.
Yes.
Eh, malamig naman eh. Kaya agad sila.
Wait kami. Yan na.
Go! Para magaling ka pala. Lapit naman. Ha? One more. Last one.
Sa baba.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming
社会长。
Hi.
在这个敬酒活动当中呢，大家可以边走啊，边聊天啊，互动啊，以及我们这个访问呢，都非常的十分
Ang konti lang naman.
Si Marion, basic lang kayo Marion, no? Ginagawang anytime fitness lang eh.
然后也可以到这个摊位去购买我们的东西哦。好，那在活动开始之前，今天我们舞台上呢有非常多的贵宾，包括台下也都非常多的贵宾哦。那如果呢做一个介绍哦，那有请面对我们的贵宾挥手跟大家致意。首先呢，我们要先来介绍第一社会福利基金会张培世董事长。接下来是我们第一社会
Bakit mali?
Joke na, di magbilang.
我们第一社会
84 steps.
新闻执行长。
Kailan pa ako sa
还有我们的卫生福利部社会家庭署刘怡组长，谢谢组长。
Shiminding, shiminding.
社会福利部局长。
Ang ganda po ng view.
Kami doon sa yung pinaka-garden.
Oo nga eh. Kung nasa baba ka, ano lang.
Sure. 1, 2, 3.
以及我们林之言副董事长。好，还有我们的。
Hindi, okay lang. Hindi,
我们带领的很多的高阶主管，博雅的右手。
Like the last time, so I end all my days with you.
Papi.
If all that you say is not true, I don't lie. I just wanna end all my days with you.
Where are we? We are we.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Here we are.
Where are we?
Here we are.
May beef ka ba? May beef ka?
Show it hang.
23, 22.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for.
And then this one, all.
Pwede ate yung gitna, no?
Ha?
Pwede ate yung gitna.
Yung ate nandun yung salted carrot.
Ayun nga yung gitna.
Okay, thank you.
Either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. No, I don't mind. I just wanna
Arts.
Kaysa mga gamit.
Ang ganda. Ginawa nilang parang market yung dating railway. Sick.
Beautiful Taichung.
Kuya, maganda mag-picture sa elevator. Ang ganda nga eh. Ayun, tapos may puntok pa doon. Ang ganda. Pag hindi tayo nag-local.
Hello, sir.
Sino?
What did you do early?
I go to bathrooms and pee.
Makinis ba ako dyan?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman, entrepreneur. I sell good stuff
From other houses.
to people.
Second guessing what could be your next move. Yeah, I'm just trying to see it from your point of view. Never told you that I need you, cause I thought that you knew.
Kanina lang hindi. Hey, may baby pagod. Pagod na pagod na. Pagod na pagod na. Ano?
Nasa Taichung Station kami, papunta kami HSR. So yung local train nila parang PNR pero mas maganda pa rin. Bakit ganun?
Organized, nasa oras talaga.
Lamang na lamang sa Pilipinas eh.
Hello,
Malamig
yan.
nakalagay kaya doon. 19 to 20 degrees. Kaya pinagdala ko ng jacket ko.
Boss, hindi ha. Dapat 11
Ay, kala ko hagdan. Hindi kala ko hagdan.
Dapat dito.
Saan ba?
Hindi. Tatawid tayo. Ayan na yung office tayo. Paano tatawid?
Ito. Next week na 12 na yung pinakamababa, di ba?
Oh, Mark, balik ka na next week ulit.
Shimending, shimending.
Bilangan ako dito.
Ekin muna. Ekin muna, ekin. Sanyek muna, sanyek.
Afford ba natin?
Oh. Ayun, sa'yo, oh. Kanina na-stress yan. Kanina na-stress yung mga yan.
pero kakasana ako.
Yan. Kailangan nyo dito lakas ng loob.
Luwewe. Luwewe ba yan? Luwewe yan? Luwewe.
Tommy ba tayo?
Bug. Tommy. Tommy.
Napasok ko net. Yung ball na lang muna.
Bug. Birkenstock. Bug. Ay, gagawin.
Ito lang ako.
Anong gagawin mo?
Wala.
Ayaw mo na?
Tama na kayo. Ay, dapat pala na.
Taiwan.
Ayun o, kain tayo. Ano na sa Japan na pa tayo, Marin?
Ganda.
Kaya cute.
Ilan mo lang pwede ko ate?
Pero magkano pili mo dyan?
Hindi ako bumili.
Sino?
Regalo ni Dad.
Yung relax.
Relax.
Kami ganda.